Hello, hello. I am in Invercargill, in the main, what's this? I guess one of the main streets. But yeah, so far it's okay. It's nothing to write home about, if I'm really honest. But I'm going to check out the new mall, which is only open about a year. So I'm going to head there now, and you can join me for bit of a mall tour. This is the first mall in Invercargill apparently, and yeah, so join me as I take you through Invercargill Central. Let's go. This is the JB Hi-Fi here. So this is the new mall here in Invercargill, and I'll just take you around for a bit of a tour. There's a phone repair shop, Majestic. They do lovely teas and muffins and stuff. Really nice little place. As you can see, it looks quite new. Now I believe this is like 2 levels, but one level up there is not open yet. So it's just this level. This is a kids playing area, play all day. This is a hair salon. Cosmetic clinic. And this is a bar, I think. There. Down here there's more eating places. Let's just have a look down here. So here we have a wedding cinema, which is kind of cool. Like a cinema here. And there's more stores down here, so I'll just have a look down this way. I'm not sure what's up there. But this is a medicine place. Pizza. So this is a bicycle place in here. And it's a bank here and a little corner store. So that's pretty much it this side. So there's not really much here. Ceiling. Now, I'm not sure what's happening upstairs, but I believe that there's more shops to come. But yeah, so far it's not really doing it for me. It looks nice, but doesn't seem to be a lot of shops around. Anyhow, we'll just keep going. Over here is a Starbucks. This place here is I like this mini. It's cute. Starbucks here, can't escape them. Jewelry shop. Barker's is a New Zealand men's clothing store. It's quite nice. That's there. Hallenstein Brothers is a cheaper version of Bikers, selling like casual clothes and stuff. Max, Pagani, Merchant Shoes, and over here we've got Glassons. And it's around the corner up here. So this is Huffer, and outside is Root Coles. There's an entrance or an exit there. Cars. The Coffee Club. This is a hairdresser, Just Cuts, and another mobile phone place. 2 Degrees is a New Zealand phone company. Bathrooms are through there, over there. Down there. Pascal Jewelers. Okay, so there's a Farmers down here. And there's a EB Games. And Koshimon. Michael Hill Jeweler. A key cutting place. Posty is like a New Zealand sort of casual clothing brand. There's a chemist down here. Is this it? I think this is the back. Actually, there's another clothing store here. This is a chemist. Chemist there, and there's a Clavicos here. A men's hair salon. And JB Hi-Fi is here. And that's where we came in. So that's it. Is that it? Is that it? I don't know. I think that's it, guys. I think that's it. I was actually quite surprised how small it is. But yeah, so that's it. A very quick tour of the first mall in Invercargill. So there you go. You've had a sneak peek. Well, it's a new mall here in Invercargill. So not sure what's happening upstairs, but I believe it looks like there's more shops coming. So, but it is quite small. There's not really a lot here. But yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate your support. It's the exit to the mall, and here is like a main sort of strip, I guess. And there's more stuff down here as well. But yeah, it doesn't seem to be much here. It's very quiet, and they're filming something over here. I'm not sure what. Yeah, it's this is like the main, one of the main sort of streets, I guess. So this is like an outside area. So let's go for a bit of a walk and see what's happening. I guess this is like a take 2. But yeah, so it's a very nice day in Invercargill. When we left the farm, which you'll just seen the video for, it was about 20 degrees, it was sunny. Now it's a bit sort of overcast, but it's not cold. Yeah, so I'm liking this weather. So let's go take it down the main street and see what's happening, because there's not much happening down here. It's very quiet compared to Melbourne. But that's what just like when you go to a different, well, I'm a New Zealander, so I've been living in the North Island in Auckland for a long time, but never the South Island. So this is my first time visiting the South Island, and it is very quiet. So this is, yeah, there's no one here. So yeah, it's just a Spark shop. They're doing something over here, some maintenance. So there's not much happening there. Another back door to clothing store here. A bit young for me, it's like Converse or something. Okay. So over here, I believe somewhere over here is a library, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, this is the main street of Invercargill, so not really much happening. A lot of empty shops. It's a few days in my travels this week around the South Island. A bridal shop, which is open, I think. cafe, a milk bar type of thing. Yeah, so I was right. Over here is the product library in Dunedin. It is very, 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 very quiet. There is not really much happening. This is a Thursday afternoon. This is another little, let's maybe come down just a bit down here to show you guys. This is another sort of section of Invercargill. Here. Yeah, there doesn't really look to be much around here, but let's keep walking and see what's happening, I guess. Like Australia, vaping is legal here. So, I don't know. But another empty shop. Another empty shop. Oh my god, this is quite bad. Another empty shop altogether. So, yes. Things haven't been kind to Port Invercargill. This is a box shop. Not sure what that is. Another vape shop. So, vaping is obviously legal here. I've got no idea. If you know, let me know in the comments. But it's crazy. There's a bar. Oh, a review bar. Dealers. Okay. So, oh my goodness, look at this. Okay. I think we're going to the wrong part of town. Adult play and lingerie. Where am I going? Where am I taking you? It's a little adventure in Dunedin. Let's go over here and see what's happening.